The chicken and the egg. Lots of animals come from eggs. Some with fins and some with legs. Some that chatter and some that cheep. Some that fly and some that creep. Some that slither and some that run. Some with feathers and some have none. Animal eggs can be quite small or just as big as a tennis ball. The animals here, they're quite a few, hatch from eggs and lay them too. All my life I've been in doubt. Won't you please help me out? Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Or the egg or the chicken? Or the chicken or the egg? I was here first. I was here first. No, I was here first. No, I was here first. 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 I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. All my life I've been in doubt. Won't you please help me out? Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Or the egg or the chicken? Or the chicken or the egg? How can there be any doubt? If you didn't have a chicken, an egg couldn't come out. Where do you think you would be? Without me, you wouldn't be. Anybody can see that I came first. There's more to me than there is to you. I have a beak, wings, and feathers. You are nothing but a blank, empty shape. Who needs all those foolish feathers? Anyway, I'll have you know I'm the basic original shape. It's simple, it's beautiful, and it works. What are you talking about? I know much more than you because I'm older than you. I've been an egg. You've never been a chicken. This proves our point. You've been an egg, which shows that an egg came first. But you had to come from something, like perhaps maybe a chicken? Well, it certainly gives you something to think about. All my life I've been in doubt. Won't you please help me out? Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Or the egg or the chicken? Or the chicken or the egg? What about you? What say you?